you are a photographer, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roaming photographer business. If you are a photographer, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding portfolio, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome back to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roaming photograph business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, you need to open WhatsApp web. I will enter a welcome message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my welcome message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me. And with that, they have given me 3 action buttons which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I want to see portfolio. I will click on that. After clicking on portfolio samples, I got a response in which they have given me 3 categories to view: wedding, travel and brand and product. I will select wedding. After selecting wedding option, they have responded me with a PDF. Let's download and see. Here is the cover page and photo diary, which looks so amazing with every photographs. Now with that, they have given us 2 action button, book and talk to support. Let's book an appointment with them. After clicking on book option, they want to know my name. I will enter as demo user. After that, they want to know type of shoot I want to create. Let's say it's a wedding shoot. After entering my address, they want to know about the date and time. 3 June, 10 AM. After giving every single detail, they have sent me a confirmation message that the team will contact me and guide me through the next step. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on all Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow today, we will click on that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify your Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, we have contact section where you can create new contact and separate them according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template. Template is an option where you can create customized template to give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, we have flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. Below flow, there is AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. If you want to know about each feature individually, we have created separate video for that as well. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on flow and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here, to create a new flow, you need to click on add flow button. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be redirected to this page where you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. As soon as you will be landed on this page, first name your flow according to your requirement. As we are making this flow for roaming photograph business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your roaming photographer. After giving meaningful name, let's get started building this flow. Okay, now inside this flow start, there is 3 options: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, today I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I will drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. Over here, I will browse an image, which will make my chatbot much more attractive for my customer. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will enter my welcome message. For that, I will click on Add Content button and select the text button. Here, I'm going to enter my message, which welcome my customer and give little introduction about our company. With that, I will provide action button. For that, I'm going to click on Add Button option and enter my text portfolio samples. Similarly, I will put 2 more action button by clicking on Add Button option. Like this, event packages, book a shoot. After giving all 3 action button, I will enter separate message for each action button. For that, let's start with portfolio sample. To give portfolio sample to my customer, I need to ask them for which type of shoot they want to see the portfolio. For that, I will give a message to my customer. I will drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Let's show you some magic through the lens. Pick a category to view. For the category, I will add action button, which my customer can choose: wedding, travel, and brand product. For each category, I will provide a separate samples. For that, I need to drag and drop media button and connect with my action button. We are starting with wedding. For wedding, I will paste URL of wedding portfolio like this and select my media type as document, as I am providing document to my customer. Over here, I will enter caption as wedding, as we are making this document for wedding, and add my 2 action button, which says book a shoot and menu. Similarly, I'm going to put portfolio samples for rest of the option like this. Now I'm going to connect every menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to put a separate message for book a shoot. Now, to book an appointment of my client, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I will drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my book a shoot action button. Over here, I will type my message which says, let's reserve your slot. Please share the following number 1 name. Okay, here you can see I have put few message between stars. That means I want to highlight these message on my chatbot. After putting my message, I will select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Now, after knowing my customer name, I want to know type of shoot they want to create. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please mention type of shoot, wedding, brand or travel. After that, I will select my contact custom field as details and format as any. Okay, after knowing type of shoot, last thing I want to know about their location or address. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please send your address. For that, again, I'm going to select my contact custom field as address and format as any. Now, you must be wondering how to add this contact custom field to your chat flow. For that, you need to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. Now, come with me to the settings section. Over here, you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on this, you will be landed on contact custom field page. Over here, you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field. Now I will resume back to my flow. Now, after getting every single details of my customer, I will send them a confirmation message in which I will thank them for giving their information to us, and our team support will contact them for further details. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this. With that, I will add an action button which says talk to support menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. As we are done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is event and packages. Here, I'm going to provide them a separate message in which I will mention all the details about our packages. I will drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned all the prices with the details. Now let's move to our last action button, which is book a shoot. We have already filled details to book a shoot. I'm just going to connect this action button with our initial question like this. Now, one pro tip that it is important to connect your every action button with a message to make your chatbot work properly. Now, as you can see, I have entered all the desirable information to run a chatbot for roaming photographer business using Pabbly Chatflow. Last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.